Looking to add phone numbers in Asana? In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Stick with me, and I'll also share a way to access Asana for free with some special bonuses to help you make the most of the software. You won't want to miss the end, where I'll give you an exclusive offer you can't find anywhere else. Let's dive right into it. So, the first thing you'll want to do is open your Asana project or task where you want to add the phone number. Asana is incredibly user-friendly, so it's simple to add any kind of detail, including phone numbers, to tasks. Next, click on the task where you'd like to add the phone number. Once you're in the task, you'll see a section for details. In this area, you can add phone numbers in the description field or as part of a comment. Asana doesn't have a dedicated phone number field, but you can easily input the phone number in a format that works for you. Just type it in and you're set. The third thing you can do is use custom fields. While Asana doesn't provide a native phone number field, you can create a custom field to store phone numbers in a more structured way. To do this, head to your project, click on Customize at the top right, and select Add Field. You can name it Phone Number and set it as a text field. This makes it easy to track and access phone numbers directly from the project view. Now, if you're using Asana with a team, you may want to use this custom field for better organization. You can then tag team members or add phone numbers to tasks and projects, making sure everyone has the right contact information when they need it. Next thing, remember that if you're looking for a more automated way to add phone numbers, you can integrate Asana with other apps using tools like Zapier. Zapier can help you set up workflows that automatically pull phone numbers from emails or forms into your Asana tasks, saving you time and reducing manual entry. Finally, don't forget that Asana has a mobile app, which makes adding phone numbers on the go super easy. You can access your tasks and projects from your phone and just as easily add phone numbers into the task details or comments section. It's a convenient way to stay on top of things while you're away from your desk. So, that's how you add phone numbers in Asana, whether you're doing it manually in the task description, using custom fields for better organization, or leveraging integrations for automation. Make sure to check out the link in the description to get Asana completely free with some special bonuses. You'll get access to Asana's powerful project management features with an exclusive extended trial only for you, our viewers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out that link for your free trial.